Okay, language explorers. So, let's look at the noun building. Building. Something with walls and a roof, like a house. So the building here. I am inside a building. I am inside a building. Yeah. How cool is that? Do you see that building? Do you see that building? Yeah. These buildings, plural, are new. These buildings are new. Yeah. I am inside a small building. I am inside a small building. Yes. This, well, that is another building over there. So this building is here, and there's another building over there. Loads of buildings. Loads of buildings, yes. Loads of buildings. Yeah. How cool is that? So I went into the building. I went, past tense, into the building. Yeah, I left the building. Yes. Very good. Yeah. Let's walk around the building. Let's walk around it. Let's walk around the building. Let's walk around the area and look at the buildings. Let's walk around the area and look at the buildings. Yeah. How cool is that? When do you think the new buildings will be built? Built, finished, completed. Built, finished. Finish. Let's change that. Finish. Finished, completed. Yeah. 100%. Completed, 100%. When? Maybe next year? Next year, maybe? Next year? Next month? Next month? Not so sure. Yeah. So yeah, building. Yeah. Something with walls, and a roof, like a house. Yeah. Buildings. Yeah. How cool is that? And can you use buildings in a sentence? Can you write it in a sentence? Comment below. Yeah. And subscribe to the channel for more lessons. And you can find me on Facebook and Telegram, it's English with Adrian, and Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.